Welcome back to the channel. Just got another short one for you today on a cheap fix on something that could potentially be quoted as being very expensive. If the light on your air conditioner switch is blinking, chances are that it's a small relay in the engine bay, and I'll just go through now and explain to you how to change that, some part numbers, costs, etc. This is where you'll find the faulty relay. It's in the engine bay in the fuse box. So take your lid off, and it's that grey one next to the large purple one. Bit of a wriggle, pull it out, comes out fairly easily. This is the cheaper alternative from NARVA. There's the part number. What I'll do is also put that part number in the description for you. I'll show you exactly what a Toyota one costs. These ones are probably about $10 from memory, whereas I'll show you in a sec exactly what the Toyota one cost. So this is the Toyota invoice, $97. Admittedly, it was Kununurra Toyota when we were doing the Gibb River Road. Of course, our air conditioner packs it in, and I knew what the problem was because I'd actually heard about it before. So total with tax, $106 for a relay. And that's your part number there if you want to go buy a genuine one. I'll also put that in the description. But, you know, Kununurra Toyota did get us out of a bit of a pickle, and we had an air conditioner for the rest of the trip, and that same part has been in there since 2016. So, new relay in. No more blinking. So as you can see, that's a fairly easy fix. Just need to replace the relay. At least go down to somewhere, you know, like your local parts store, buy the relay, try it first before you start paying literally hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get the air conditioner regassed. 9 times out of 10, that's all it is. If you got some value out of the video, by all means, if you can give us a like, or even better, a subscribe, really appreciate it. And hopefully the next video that I do from you will be actually out bush and showing you something a little bit more interesting than these tech type videos. Cheers, guys. Every time. Take 10. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate. Damn it. Give us at least a short one for you today. Thanks for watching. Another short one for you today.